Alright, so I'm going to show you how to create a post for your weekly specials menu. So first we're going to log into our account. Okay, here's your dashboard of the back end. We're going to go to our post link here on the left. Okay, and we'll see all the posts that I've made already. Okay, so we're going to add a new post. Give it a title. And give it your content. Okay, so I'd select the date, bold it, you select all, and then you can center it here. Okay, a very important thing to do with your post is to check the weekly specials categories over here. Without doing that, the slider will not be able to find the information. It won't feed the slider. Down here is our post expirator. And if you want to enable post expiration, we click enable post expiration and you pick the date and time if you want. Okay, when you're done with that, you hit publish. And it's simple as that. You can go back to your new menu and you'll see that you've added a new post. There's the Chinese food right there. There's all your information. Okay, other things to be aware of is the order the posts appear on the feed on the page. And that is based on the order they appear here in the back end. So it's set up for you to move these around. So if you want it to show this week's post, unfortunately you have to log in and edit that manually, but it's as simple as moving these around, dragging and dropping them into the order you want. I believe Chinese food was the first. And you'll see from left to right, they should be in order of date, and then back to Chinese food. Again, the one that you want to show up here when they first visit the weekly specials page has to be the one that is on top here. Okay. You can also schedule posts for a later date, say if you want to set one up for the next couple months. Again, same thing, we'll add a title, we'll add some content. Okay, we'll center it, we'll bold the date. Yeah. Okay. So over here, we'll see the little guy that says publish immediately. So when you hit publish, it will immediately show up on the website. If you want to set it a date in the future for it to be published, we click edit and we can select the date right there. Okay, go ahead and pick sometime in March, the date, the time if you'd like, and you hit OK. And it will change from publish to schedule for, and when you click schedule and go back to our post list, you'll see that it says scheduled. Okay. These ones that say draft do not appear on the page. I like to leave them as drafts for now in case you decide to bring the menu back. You don't have to reformat it. You can just change quick edit here and change it from draft status to here to publish status. Hit update. And now the Paleolithic menu is back in your menu rotation. Move it to where you want it to be, where you want it to show up based on the date, and so on. I will put that back to draft for now. trash this. Okay. So just one more time, I'll show you. Add a new post. Add a title. Add your content. Highlight the date. Bold it. Highlight everything and hit center. Now, as you're adding your items to the list, if you hit enter, it will create a large space. Okay, that creates a new paragraph. We don't really want to do that, or else we will run out of room very fast on our tiny little weekly specials list. So if you, instead of hitting return or enter, if you hit shift return, it creates just a simple line break instead of a whole new paragraph. This was essential for saving space. So just again, make sure you hit shift return. For the line breaks. Now if you want to add your line for vegetarians, I would do a hard enter to give you a new paragraph. Okay, and as you've done before, you've highlighted and hit italics for your veggie options in the bottom. Creates a nice little stylized menu that when you publish it, and again, always make sure you select weekly specials here, or else it won't feed our slider. Hit update. And then we go view the post page, the weekly specials page, and we can see there's our updated content, simple line breaks, shift return for line breaks, hard enter for new paragraph, and veggie options. Sounds pretty simple, should be pretty straightforward. I'm sure we'll have questions, but I'll run through it with you after you've watched this video. Alright, thanks Gabe.